Hey guys, so since last week was a short week, here is how I chose names to go on our spinner today. I put your name on the spinning wheel if you completed all three of the Math Easy CBM tests. So if you do not see your name on the wheel, it's because you did not complete all three. Please check out the rest of the email that I have sent for the directions on how to complete those. So here we go. All right, our first winner is Analia. All right, let's go ahead and spin again. Next up, we have Isaiah. Next is Matthew. And you know what, guys? We're going to go ahead and give one extra bonus spin today. So let's go ahead and see who we get with a fourth spin. All right, and with our fourth spin, we got Kevin. Congratulations to our winners. Keep an eye on your mailbox for your prize.